Hey guys, this is JB down here, and it's been a while of seeing everyone here in this channel. And today we are going to have a look at the Uniqlo version of the iconic MS06 SU Zaku 2. Well, you can see some a little bit like different at this kit. Why? Because instead of MS06 as Zaku 2, they have a little tiny little U there, stands for Uniqlo. So this is the version is a collaboration between Uniqlo and also Gunpla. I would say Gunpla because actually this kit came out I think last year during the 40th anniversary of Mobile Suit Gundam. Yeah, so the first look of this Zaku kit looks really good from the outside boxing, and then even the look of the Zaku 2 at this corner looks very modernized. So at the side out of box looks really nice. You have the Uniqlo and the Bandai logo there, and then it's funny enough to see that Bandai changed this logo into the blue one instead of the red one. It says also here Uniqlo customized mobile suit. So let's open it up and then let's have a look inside here. So we have one menu, and these are the only runners that we can see. Actually, nice menu as we can see. And unfortunately, this kit is they use back the old original HG kit in this design. So as you can see here, instead of having those plastic parts where you can rotate the mono eye of the Zaku, you actually get sticker, which is very disappointing, where Bandai can actually put more effort in having the newer parts in this for this collaboration of this special Zaku. And then let's have a look at the parts itself. So this is a very fast build. As you can see, the runners are very easy to assemble, and then from the menu itself, it's a very simple design, and I don't really expect many articulation from this kit. As I mentioned before, it is a very old kit, just slapping, not really slapping, but with the color of the Uniqlo. Yep. Okay, so see you in the next video with the finished build. Alright everyone, so this is the build kit for the Uniqlo Zaku. So bear in mind that this kit is the old HG that we get from Bandai. The first, not to say the first Zaku that they produced, I think it's the first HG Zaku that came out from Bandai itself. So in overall, the design looks great from the outside, but articulation wise, you don't really there's not much expectation from this kit. Why do I say that? So let's have a look in detail. But before that, I really like the color separation for this Uniqlo HG kit, because the red part for this one is a different red from the other part. It gives a very good combination, and it looks much better than the previous Uniqlo and Zaku design that came out I think last year. Yeah, this color combination looks much better. Let's have a better look of this kit. So let's get this straight all the way, is that the mono eye itself is a big foil sticker sheet there, and if you want to move it, actually you can just take this cap off and then to turn it side by side. For the chest part, looks normal and great. And then at this is the shoulder shield. This is the sticker that I've applied on the shield itself. Of course, as you can see, if it is very dark plastic. Applying a sticker on a dark plastic doesn't look really that good. And then for seam lines, oh man,
Yeah, boy.
look at the seam line that you can get from this kit. You got seam line here, here, and all the way from the leg and then to the knot to the feet actually, and at the back as well. And then for the detail part, as you can see at the back here, it doesn't have any thruster for this Zaku. I'm not sure whether they have a thruster at the backpack here, but supposedly it must have, right? If not, then here is the only thruster that we get. Okay, so anyway, back to the design itself. For the articulation, so for the normal hand articulation, you have a very good left and right, and then can move up and then move down. Yes, so overall the articulation is just normal, and then you don't really expect much. Hands just let it like go. Design here, yep. And then for the Bandai, I really don't know what you are thinking. You know, for a kid itself, you can, I don't expect to crouch forward, but at least give me some left and right thighs for it to move around and turn. But this kid, you don't get that, because this whole plastic section is just one piece. It's just two pieces together, from the chest to the lower part of the body. Just two pieces of plastic and smash it together. So get it out of the way. So for leg itself goes very up that far, and then this is a separate piece. The funnest part is the feet. Why? Because the feet, you can actually drop it out that far. Damn! Feet to extend this extreme way. This is the first time that I see from any HG kit. That is the basic part of the kit. So what are the weapons, what are the accessories that you get along from this kit? Well, this Zaku machine gun here. So this Zaku machine gun is a really great design. Okay, simple design with some small articulation on the handle, the iconic hit hop that comes with the Zaku. Alright, the detail looks great, and then this is the handle for the hit hop. So this is the handle for the hit hop that you can plug into here, which is very loose. Now lose it. And then you will also get the trigger finger and also another like closed fist. Alright, so this is a side-by-side comparison between the HG build fighter Zaku from piloted by Raul, yes, if I remember it correctly, and with the Uniqlo Zaku. So as you can see, the older one, even though the older proportion, it still looks good, but I really prefer the proportion of the newer Goof, or maybe the newer. This is a side-by-side comparison with the Granddaddy HG kit. I supposedly this two kit comes at the same year. However, I do really prefer the Gundam over the Zaku, even though I would like to love Zaku more. But having the Gundam to able to just turn the waist, it really makes the Zaku look very bad. Okay, alright, so overall thoughts for this Uniqlo Zaku. Well, it really gives an opportunity for me to build the older version of the HG Zaku, but for the price that you're gonna get for this kit, because the last price that I checked for this one is 120 ringgit or 130 ringgit, around that price range for this special edition kit. Is it worth it? Well, I would say it's not worth the price. For 130 you can get even a better HG kit that is I do not even consider whether this is a premium Bandai kit. So overall, if you want to get this kit, for the color you can just paint it on the older HG kit by buying this at 120 ringgit, unless you go for the sticker that comes with this kit, or you don't paint it, you just have a color set, or maybe you like the color separation, the color version of this kit, then go ahead. But if you can paint it yourself, I really don't see the point of getting this kit by buying it. Yeah, so that is just my thoughts. And then for the articulation, everything, like I say, don't expect from this one. These are the only pose that you can get from this kit. Alright, so you'll be wondering, where will I review the Gundam? I have a little surprise for everyone. Okay, stay tuned for the next review for the Uniqlo Granddaddy Gundam. I'll see you all next time. Bis next time out.